टाटा सरनेम बहुत सारा लोगों के पास है, एवरी सबको टाटा का सरनेम मिला है, रतन टाटा जी को भी मिला था, बट ही हैज मेड रतन फेमस देन टाटा। यूज्ड टू टेल ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर वी मीट दैट कि तो अभी मिलते हैं तो वो बोलते रहते हैं कि रिवर जर्नी फ्रॉम ए स्टोर रूम टू बोर्ड रूम। 2001 I came to Hyderabad and last 25 years I am here. So I used to call Odisha is my Janmabhoomi, Hyderabad is my Karmabhoomi. I came so Ramoji Film City first time in Hyderabad for I did training in Goa and all, but that was for a very shorter period. Coming to work on a proper platform was Ramoji Film City outside Odisha. You have to think what your leader is thinking. If you think on that, if not today, tomorrow you will be like that. It's very very important. What you know is not important. Who knows you is important. What you know is not important. Who knows you is important. That is very very important. Working in Dell, I got an opportunity in Karvi. A lot of satisfaction is I was part of Aadhaar ecosystem. From Karvi I joined the Sodaxo. So then the time changes and I came to Capstone, and now Capstone is close to my heart. Last 7 years I am doing there.
क्योंकि सर आई पर्सनली फील दैट कि हमारे जगह स्पेशली जितने भी पॉडकास्ट होते हैं या कितने भी कॉन्वर्जेशंस होते हैं, अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्वर्जेशंस रिवॉल्व अराउंड दैट फंड रेज कैसे करना है, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कैसे लेके आना है. इट्स टू ट्रांजैक्शनल दैट वो उस पोजीशन तक जाने के लिए क्या बैकग्राउंड में वर्क होता है वो कोई बात नहीं करते. तो आप जब स्टार्ट करे थे, लाइक व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड करियर, आपने कभी सोचा था सर कि मैं इस बोर्ड रूम तक आ जाऊंगा, स्टोर रूम से बोर्ड रूम तक का जर्नी? Did you think about it?
Definitely the aim was always high. So aim was always high. You have to keep your always your aim is high. Target अगर बड़ा नहीं रखोगे तो कैसे पहुंचोगे? So from my childhood aim is always high. Whatever I do, I always aim to do that. Whether it is sports, I was in student politics, so I was in student union, represented multiple times during the college days. So the debate competitions, writing poems. Doing some kind of, because this stand-up comedy has come now, but during our college days that some kind of one act play. So जो भी करो, I was aiming high. सब में सामने आना है. Whether it is there is a club in village or the library in village, the youth association, all those things. So that I feel that gives the foundation of your leadership. आप कैसे आगे आते हो, कैसे आगे जाना है. सो साई नेचर थोड़ा छोड़ना है, तो अदरवाइज इट विल बी वेरी इजी व्हेन यू आर कमिंग टू द प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. इट विल बी इजी.
वेरी ट्रू. सर बोलते हैं ना सर, लाइक व्हेन यू आर अ लीडर विद ग्रेट पावर कम्स ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. और आपको कभी भी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्रेशर नहीं फील होता था जब स्टूडेंट पॉलिटिक्स करते थे और एट द सेम टाइम आप स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी भी कर ले तो बहुत जॉवियल हो जाते हो? क्या आपको नहीं लगता था कि अरे लोग मुझे सीरियसली देंगे, नहीं लेंगे? वो कैसा होता था?
See, initially that thought process came when, because during college days I was doing that activity, but जब professional life में आने के बाद मैं कॉमेडी करना एंड ऑल वो थोड़ा छोड़ दिया, बिकॉज देन आई थॉट, मैं बोला पीपल मुझे सीरियसली लेंगे या नहीं, दैट्स द राइट क्वेश्चन केम टू मी. सो आई यूज्ड टू डू इट इन आवर फैमिली गैदरिंग, फ्रेंड्स गैदरिंग एंड ऑल, उसमें कर रहा था. बट देन आई थॉट, मैं बोला इट्स मी. It's me. It's my life. What others thinks is not important. Whatever is good for me, as long as whatever I am doing, I am making my parents proud, or I am making my wife or spouse or my kids not feeling sorry about it, I should do that.
Yeah.
Whether it is stand-up comedy, whether it is writing, whether like in January 7th, we have completed our 17th year of Capstone's Foundation Day.
Okay.
So we got into 18th year. So every year we do some activity like sports, AO karke. Then on the date we do some kind of performance by team. So I don't participate on that. I play director role कि कैसे होना है, क्या होना है. So I do that activity. This time our team came with a solid idea. Sir, we'll do the Sole enact on a sales perspective.
Okay.
तो बोला करो, अच्छा है. नहीं सर आप गब्बर सिंह का रोल प्ले करना। मैं बोला मैं अभी तक मुझे खुद को हीरो देख के आया हूँ,
मुझे विलन बना
आप मुझे विलियन बना रहे हो गब्बर सिंह बना के। सो देन दे कन्विंस्ड मी, नो सर गब्बर सिंह तो हीरो है नाम गब्बर सिंह है, हीरो है। सो देन वी डिड इट एंड वी नेवर थॉट, जस्ट 2 days we practiced and we did it with lot of costumes, but the costumes and all we did कितने आदमी है, सेल्स कितना हुआ है, सो कितना टारगेट रखे हैं बड़े सरदार, लाइक दैट ऑल दोज थिंग्स वी डिस्कस्ड. It was liked by all our guests like anything. If my kids, my spouse, my parents were no more, but if they are not feeling sorry about it, I'll do that. If I have to write something, I'm not, if my son can read, suppose I'm writing a poem, if my son can read, then I'll write that poem. I'm writing one article, is it good for the society? Is it good for my son? Is it good for my parents? Is it good for my spouse? If my spouse can read that, she will not feel sorry, then anyone, any female or any woman can read that. If my son can read it, then others can do that. I was telling Prashant that normally people see me with blazer and all, so knowingly I came to your podcast first time that I'll go with casual. So let's have the casual look
conversation
of
also.
With casual conversation goes to air.
Nice. So like, I mean, because the industry that we work in, right, sir, it does kind of take a lot of mental pressure and also stress, and that really reflects in our family also, and especially the area that you work in, which is in the space of staffing, which is in the space of IFM. It does take a lot of your time and efforts also. So how do you manage to make sure that that family and personal life is also maintained? Like you're having fun with your son, you're saying you're doing a stand-up in your family, and then again manage this.
Correct. So lot of credit you have to give it to your family also, because the understanding, she was my wife Kalpana, we both started our career at the same time.
Okay.
So with both are of same salary, same position and all. So when our first kid was conceived, so she took long leave, and from there both of us has decided that she will take care of the home and I'll take care of the job. So that way it helped. She sacrificed her career, but I ensured that whatever the sacrifice she has done, it should not go waste. So today, if I have gone up the ladder, if both of us would have been working, I would not have gone up.
True.
Or today, the kids, the kind of family attachment they got, if both of us are working, they would not have got the upbringing they got, because she was there, she was taking care of their study. So that's where. So all the decisions, like we say that all the big decisions I take at home, like whether what Trump will say tomorrow, whether Iraq war will go to an end, when Rohit Sharma will retire, all those decisions I'll take. Rest of the small decisions she will take. Which flat to buy, which color has to be our bedroom color, or son will study in which college, which so all those small decisions she takes. All the big decisions I take.
Nice. So it's like building a kingdom, sir. Like there is a part of it where king takes a place, there's a queen takes a place, and the whole kingdom will prosper in that way.
Prosper in that way. Correct.
And sir, honestly, I feel the trajectory, right, your career trajectory, and also both in personal and also professional life, is something a lot of Indians would aim for in this particular route. Because even when they are starting off after their college, they're fresh into their industry, they want to do something in their life. But you see, over the period of time, everyone take a certain decision, they get somewhere. I want to understand with your example, like you started in the space of hospitality, then you came into the space where you're handling growth, P&L, and new initiatives, and everything in this space of staffing. And I would like to know, what was it like a growth strategy you had in your mind that I will go do this and this, or else was it natural to you, or else it was just a survival call?
It will be a mix of both. So while studying in college, I never thought that I'll do hotel management.
Okay.
ठीक है, my aim was different because getting in student politics as at the right age, so I was representing student union multiple times, active in politics and all. So the aim was like, "Yare, someday I'll become MP, MLA, chief minister." So those. So after certain period of your graduation, so then वो बोलते हैं ना डाल आटा का भाव पता चलता. So and we are in a joint family. Family was too big. Very lower middle class family, so affordability was a problem for higher study, but my father was a government servant. He got retired when I was in class 5. My mother is a strong iron lady. They both are no more. They must be seeing from there that what I am doing here today. So my mother is the administration backbone of our home. So she used to lot of things. I whatever you are seeing me, mostly influenced by my mother. Mostly influenced by my mother. So my father is a very calm person. To give you an example, that the day he retired, normally the policy is that whenever somebody retired, evening they will go to the clubs. So evening, so they will do that. The day he retired, from that day onwards, he only goes once in a month outside home to get his pension. So after a few years, pension directly comes to the bank account. So I am talking about the 90s. So 90s, you have to go to the bank and get your pension. So he never goes out. So he does the puja, and also those spiritual thing has got from my mother. So that influence of mother was more on me. So doing college, then I started my job in hotels. As I was telling you, so first it was a project hotel, Hotel Swasti Plaza, project hotel. So that was official first job. Before that, I did small job, ad hoc jobs and all. So that was the first job wherein I was given in charge of store, reporting to the vice president. So he. Another thing I always say that whenever I go to any college and all, and it is personally, it is experienced on me. During your initial days of career, you should get proper mentor. And for me, Mr. Talukdar, who was my first boss, he was a correct mentor. Till today, we are in touch, family relationship. He got retired. I have highest regards for him. So he has seen something in me that day, and he used to tell always whenever we meet that कि तू बहुत आगे जाएगा, एंड ऑल्सो अभी मिलते हैं तो वो बोलते रहते हैं कि अरे यूर जर्नी फ्रॉम ए स्टोर रूम टू बोर्ड रूम. सो दैट I admire him a lot. So lot of things I learned, and whenever I stop, I call him. So then from there, I was working there in Bhubaneswar, then got opportunity to work in Ramoji Film City. Ramoji Film City in 2001, I came to Hyderabad, and last 25 years I am here. Nice. So I used to call Odisha is my Janma Bhumi, Hyderabad is my Karma Bhumi. So from here I have gone to different place. But base is Hyderabad from 2001.
And what was that something that your mentors said, sir, that has influenced you, and I think those learnings that you have taken and which helped you to take from that Bhubaneswar to Hyderabad, this journey, and to grow till now? Yeah,
so he used to tell, always he used to tell that you have to think what your boss thinks. Okay. You might not do that, but you have to think what your leader is thinking. If you think on that, if not today, tomorrow you will be like that. Yeah. So that one of the thing which has a lot of influence, and he is a workaholic. He used to work. I think that time he will be in his mid 40s. So he used to work 18 hours a day. 18 hours a day. So because the project hotel, lot of things has to come in, and also he was I was a correct plug socket fit for him. A young boy who just came out of college and want to work and all. So आई वॉज ऑल्सो वर्किंग 18 आवर्स. उसमें थोड़ा वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट क्या था, होटल में आपको फ्री फूड मिलता है. सो बीइंग ए बैचलर, सो 3 टाइम का खाना मिल जाता था. अब काम करोगे, हाँ, फ्री होटल का खाना 3 टाइम का मिल जाता है. सो ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, यू डोंट हैव टू कुक. सो वी वर स्टेइंग इन ए बैचलर अकोमोडेशन, 3-4 पीपल. सो आई डोंट हैव टू पे इन द मेस फी. सो दैट मनी आई वाज सेविंग. मैं ज़्यादा काम कर रहा हूँ, लर्निंग कर रहा हूँ, होटल में मुझे फ्री खाना मिल जा रहा है, मेरा लॉन्ड्री क्लीन हो जा रहा है. So that way it was good. So that was tremendous learning.
Yeah.
So then leaving him and joining Ramoji Film City, I thought, how should I tell him that because so much attachment with him, how should I tell him because coming here to Hyderabad and all. So he looked at me, told, okay, मैं तो तुझे बांध के नहीं रख सकता. Only thing I can tell you, my door is open.
Okay.
Anytime. So that was the confidence only your father, brother and spouse can tell you.
True.
Correct. So he told me that for a young boy, he told that my door is open. This door is open. Anytime you want to come back, you can come back. Go explore. So I became so Ramoji Film City first time in Hyderabad for Jeb. I did training in Goa and all, but that was for a very shorter period. Coming to work on a proper platform was Ramoji Film City outside Odisha. हिंदी इतना अच्छा मालूम नहीं था, तो इंग्लिश थोड़ा थोड़ा बात करते थे. So and in 2000 there also lot of people they only know Telugu. They don't know. So it was a communication barrier also for us. So then we started learning local language because that was the time.
It was a survival.
Survival. So you have to, because मैं उनको बोल नहीं सकता कि आप हिंदी सीखो या आप इंग्लिश सीखो, मैं ही तेलुगु सीख लेता हूँ. So we started learning the language. So we started learning the language, which because that has helped me a lot. Because now whatever I am working with the 35,000 blue collar employees, maximum of are them from Telugu states. If you will not understand their pain, so they will not open up with you. मैं उनके साथ हिंदी इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर सकता.
हाँ सर.
उनके साथ उनका लैंग्वेज में बात करना है. So then only they will open up with you. Correct? So that's what. So Ramoji Film City was a very good journey. There also, so day one, Mr. Talukdar has said that कि खाली काम करो. खाली काम करो. So वो भी वही चीज रहा, because यहाँ और कुछ है ही नहीं. Ramoji Film City today, Ramoji Film City looks like it's here only. But that time from Ramoji Film City to city, you have to plan 2 days before, 3 days before. So working there, we are staying there only. So we came as a group. So we were working there, and Mr. Yunus Mulla, Mr. Rajiv Jalnapurkar, Mr. Sudhakar Babu, the great Ramoji Rao, legendary Ramoji Rao, is means legendary, super legendary, the kind of way they have made it. So these are the people, when you work, you learn lot of things from them. So मैं लेने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहता हूँ. कहाँ से कुछ भी ज्ञान मिलता है, मैं लेने के लिए तैयार रहता हूँ. So because I am available 24 hours, आप कभी भी काम कराओ. So the computer was not famous that time, because if you find 100 people working in office, only 2-3 people know how to use computer. So I was in the 2-3 people.
Okay.
So that was one of the advantage. Like today we are talking about AI and all. So वो time का AI था, computer knowledge है क्या, mail भेज सकते हो क्या. So that was so. I used to get lot of requests, अरे मेरे लिए एक मेल भेज दे, अरे मेरा रेज्यूम बना दे. So that was so then मेरा काम भी इजी हो जाता था. If I have some work with them, so that was also
मेरा काम करके मैं उसका काम कर लूँगा, टाइप्स हो जाएगा अच्छे तरीके से.
So वो भी हो जाता था. So that was one of the thing. And working with Ramoji Film City, you get lot of exposure. So that time Hyderabad has seen the real growth. The Afro-Asian game happened, the national game happened, lot of things. The Dental Association of India का conference, so ये सब हो रहा था. Cardio conference आ रहा था. So I got the opportunity to meet, apart from meeting the Bollywood, Tollywood stars, you got the opportunity to meet like Abdul Kalam. I met him. So personally, I was his. Just before 1 month, he became President of India. He came as a scientist to that conference.
Okay.
So I was his escort
Okay.
to take him to the room. So that was one of the great opportunities. So humble. You spend 2 minutes and you will feel like he's standing in front of you now. That kind of people. Those are the dignitaries I could meet there. So that was the time. Working there, then I got an opportunity in Dell. So IT boom was happening in Hyderabad. So IT में जो facilities department है, that department they were looking at people either from the defense forces or from the hotel background, because these are the people, they know hospitality, they know how to handle pressure and all. So those kind of things. So that was my first entry to corporate, from hotel to. So I think around 5-6 years I worked in hotel. Then from there I started my journey in corporate. Dell, I worked at NIT Srinivas, Himanshu Sharma, Jaydeep Pradhan, Priyadarshan Pagadi. So these are the people whom I have worked very, very closely. So yeah, so Ramoji, another thing has happened which changed my life is I met my love interest there. So it's my wife, Kalpana. She was also working there.
Okay.
So we both are from Odisha. She came for job, I came for job, we met there. So that's where our relationship started.
Nice.
So
Hyderabad has given you.
Hyderabad has given a lot. I told you, it's a karma bhumi. So karma bhumi has given a lot. So that's where that's a different discussion we'll have on some other time. It will not gel with this. So then I joined Dell. Dell mein almost 3-4 years I worked. So she also shifted from Ramoji. She joined in Deloitte, both married, and then working in Dell, I got an opportunity in Karvi. Karvi was a big thing at that time.
Okay.
It was one of the big name in Hyderabad, NBFC, BFSI front. So they have a company called Karvi Global Services, who was one Arthur Flew, an Australian. He's no more. He was the CEO. So they wanted somebody from the ITS background, and lot of my friends, they told, Dell is a multinational company. It's in Fortune 500 list. You are leaving that and joining Indian company. What is for me? Correct? It's what is for me. I'll be in a big ocean. I'll be a small fish. So let me experiment. This is the age I can experiment. So Karvi was it was like a huge learning.
Okay.
Huge learning. I spent almost 12+ years in Karvi, worked in different companies on group level, and I worked there. So people who are telling me not to go, they joined me. So because it's a huge thing, and I worked in Karvi Global Services. Then they have a joint venture with one of the Australian company, Karvi Computer Share. Now it is called KFintech. Now the present name. So that company I work in Karvi Data Management, which was a pioneer in doing the Aadhaar project. So I was part of that. Mr. Bhimayesh, Mr. Ganesh, Mr. C. Parsarthi. So these are the people who influenced me a lot in Karvi, and given the kind of responsibility what I wanted, it has been given. So like I used to tell, कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके पास आता है, कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको क्रिएट करना है. जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके पास आया, लाइक इफ आई हैव टू गिव दैट एग्जांपल, रतन टाटा. टाटा सरनेम बहुत सारा लोगों के पास है. इन देयर फैमिली ऑल आर बिजनेसमैन. इन देयर फैमिली ऑल आर बिजनेसमैन. एवरी सबको टाटा का सरनेम मिला है, रतन टाटा जी को भी मिला था. बट ही हैज मेड रतन फेमस देन टाटा. Correct, na? So that some opportunity comes in your way, but how you have to make it to great opportunity, that is what. So these are the opportunity came in my way. Nice. So I have encased it in a proper way for the segment. So while working in Karvi, so I used to go for these kind of conferences, FM conferences. You can still feel MTI, mother tongue influence in my speaking. I remember in 2008-9, one of the conference in Taj Krishna, I was talking, people were laughing. people were laughing कि अरे वो कैसा बात कर रहा है देखो, because this because so there is no difference between B and V in Eastern culture. So Bombay and Victory are same for us. So that's what. So they used to tell me. So I could not complete my sentence. I cried on that day. अरे क्या हो गया, मैं अभी लीडरशिप पोजीशन में जाने के लिए दिस विल बी अ बॉटल नेक, बिकॉज मैं कैसे जाऊंगा अगर लोग हंस रहे हैं, मेरा बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं, कल मेरा टीम भी मेरे ऊपर हंसेगा, ये बात नहीं कर पा रहा है एंड ऑल. सो somebody suggested me Amirpet में there is a college Russell's if you guys remember Russell's Institute of English
and Communication ऐसा
कुछ था. So I thought so I got admitted there. So वहाँ जाने के बाद फिर मैं डिसाइड किया, बोला मैं जो हूँ मेरे हिसाब से रहना बेटर है. लेट देम लाफ, उनको हंसने दो ना. आई विल जॉइन द कॉलेज फॉर माई वोकाबुलरी, फॉर माई सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग, नॉट ऑन माई टंग. दैट मेरा जो मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस है मैं इसी हिसाब से रहूँगा, इसके ऊपर काम नहीं करूँगा, ये रहने दो. आई work on my vocabulary, I'll work on my sentence framing, how to talk, I'll work on that, but I'll not work on my MTI. So till today अभी थोड़ा कम हो गया है, but till today I feel proud that कि अरे मेरा MTI है. एंड जो लोग हंस रहे थे अभी भी वहाँ बैठे हैं. मैं जहाँ पहुँचना था पहुँच गया. So इसलिए so there would be people. So today language is not a barrier for your growth.
True.
Correct. I was seeing some advertisement इसमें आ रहा था, I think Axis Bank का या किसका. So somebody is going to the thing and asking, madam एक फार्म मिलेगा. So then no madam फार्म. बोला नहीं आप फार्म ही बोलिए, हमको समझ में आ गया, हम दिल से कनेक्ट करते हैं. So that's the thing. So जो जैसे बात कर रहा है उसको बात करने दो भाई. So that thought process came. It's me. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ मैं करेक्ट बोल रहा हूँ, उसको समझना है वो समझेगा.
मुझे भी याद है सर, जब मैं कॉलेज में था तो मेरा मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस के कारण मुझे भी लगता था कि अगर मैं बात करूँगा लोग हंस जाएंगे. तब मेरे सर ने एक चीज़ बोला था, इफ़ यू लिसन टू अब्दुल कलाम, उनके पास भी मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस है, वो प्रेसिडेंट बन गए, तुझे क्या है.
प्रणब मुखर्जी,
एग्जैक्टली,
सो मेनी नेम्स, सो मेनी. हमारा मोदी जी,
एग्जैक्टली.
सो मोदी जी से बड़ा ओरेटर तो कोई है ही नहीं वर्ल्ड में, उनको भी MTI है. So those are not bottleneck for your growth. So but वो young age में वो mind में आता था. I literally cried on that day. अरे सच में मैं leadership में grow हो पाऊंगा या नहीं. So those are the days, Anirudh, and at least today every week I get 2-3 invitation to speak and I reject. So अगर वो दिन मैं पीछे रह जाता था उस इंसिडेंट के वजह से, इफ आई वुड नॉट हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड, ठीक है, मैं बार उसके बाद एवरी टाइम चलते गया, बात करते गया. लेट देम लाफ, उनको हंसने दो ना, धीरे धीरे समझ में आ जाएगा. सो अभी नाउ टुडे इज द डे कि आई गेट एटलीस्ट weekly 2-3 invitation to speak either in college or in forum or in conference and all. So that's right.
मैं किधर तो भी पढ़ा था सर कि हम जब अपने आप को रीइन्वेंट करते जाते हैं तभी हमारे लाइफ में चेंजेस होते हैं. क्या होता है, ज़्यादातर लोग अपने आप में एक लेबल बना लेते हैं, मैं एक इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ, मैं शाई हूँ, मैं ऐसा ही करने वाला हूँ. और जब मैं आपकी जर्नी देख रहा था सर, हम बात भी कर रहे थे ना, मुझे लगा था आप रीइन्वेंशन थोड़े लोगों से ज़्यादा ही कर लेते हो. अगर आप बोले कि इफ़ यू हैव टू डिसाइड लाइक, अरे अभी हरिप्रसाद 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 अगर मैं बोलूँ तो अभी कौन से पॉइंटों में है?
आई थिंक 3.0. So see when we talk about so from Karvi I joined the Sodaxo. So then the time changes and I came to Capstone, and now Capstone is close to my heart. Last 7 years I am doing there. So this you told the correct thing, that reinvent. So I'll give you an example. I think few months back I wrote an article. It's in I have gone to a college and from there similar kind of question came. So when I answered, then I came and wrote it. In any organization, you will find 3 kind of people. One kind of people is like who are like competence.
Yeah.
So if I have to give example, Karan and Arjun. Karan studied in that time का IIT IIM में द्रोणाचार्य like IIT IIM. Karan normal schooling किया था जो ये करके and he did executive MBA like बाद में परशुराम उनको सिखाया. So but both have competency. Forget about their rivalry and all that different thing, but both have competency to do their particular work. सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ सो यू विल फाइंड इन योर एम्प्लॉय बेस कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई करके आते हैं, कुछ लोग एक्सपीरियंस से आते हैं, दे हैव कॉम्पिटेंसी टू डू दैट वर्क. सेकेंड इज कॉन्फिडेंस. सो उनको मालूम नहीं रहेगा या पार्शियली मालूम रहेगा, बट दे गो डू दी वर्क with confidence. 90% time they succeed. 10% time fail होते हैं, but they learn from that. Typical example is Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu knows half of the Chakravyuh.
अंदर तक चले जाने का मालूम है.
Whom he was fighting, Duryodhan, Karna, what do you call, Dusasan, Jayadratha, Dronacharya, all are like means once in a lifetime वैसा योद्धा पैदा होते हैं. He is a 15 years old boy. Look at his confidence, and you will find in office. In office, you find lot of people with they have confidence. You should promote them. Let them fail.
Yeah.
Correct. But they will learn from there. Correct. Third kind of employee is very dangerous. Complacency.
Yeah.
They always talk about the past glory. मैं पहले ऐसा किया था. मैं पहले वैसा किया था. Correct. So they are dangerous people. So like Ravan हो गया, दुर्योधन हो गया, those kind of people, they talk about their past glory. मैं इंद्रा को हरा दिया था, मैं ये कर दिया था. But let me tell you, people are not here to judge your past glory. आज क्या कर रहे हो important है.
Exactly.
Typical अगर आप example देखोगे, रोहित शर्मा and विराट कोहली, they are in A+ contract. Now they have come down to B, not even A. बिकॉज सी रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली का जैसा बैट्समैन है दुनिया में तेंदुलकर को छोड़ने के बाद नहीं है, बट दे हैव कम टू बी ग्रेड बिकॉज वो पास्ट ग्लोरी था. दे वर प्लेइंग फॉर इंडिया, दे प्लेड फॉर इंडिया, दे गॉट लॉट ऑफ नेम फॉर अस, made us lot of time pride, but now they are not playing the 3 format, they are playing only 1 format. That's the reason they came to the B. Similarly in office also. So योर पास्ट ग्लोरी कोई नहीं देखेगा. आपको आज क्या कर रहे हो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली री इन्वेंट. इफ यू विल नॉट री इन्वेंट, पास्ट ग्लोरी में रहोगे, आप रावण दुर्योधन के जैसा एक दिन फिनिश हो जाओगे. अगर री इन्वेंट करोगे, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, आपको भले आप फेलियर हुए, ही वॉज पार्शियली फेलियर अभिमन्यु, बट पीपल रिमेंबर. ट्रू. करण वॉज ऑन ए रॉन्ग साइड ऑफ द, बट पीपल रिमेंबर करना. ट्रू. Correct? So people remember Arjuna because they are at the right, they have that competency, they have that, they don't have complacency.
Very true sir. क्योंकि सर मुझे लगता है जितना लोग सीखने की कोशिश करते, जितना सीखते जाता है ना सर, वो पास्ट ग्लोरी से ज़्यादा आज क्या करेंगे, कल क्या करेंगे सोचते जाएंगे. क्योंकि मुझे भी वही लग रहा था सर, क्योंकि आप बोल रहे थे, आप जितने भी अभी तक एग्जाम्पल्स बोल रहे थे, आप बहुत ये कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे थे कि मैं क्या क्या सीख पाऊंगा. उधर सीखने को बहुत मिलता था. आप किधर भी ये नहीं बोले कि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मुझे इतना कंफर्ट देगा, इतना लग्जरी देगा, इतना बोनस देगा. आप ये बोल रहे थे उधर ज़्यादा स्कोप है सीखने के लिए. आराम से डेल में बैठ के
मैं अभी तक रिटायर भी होता था वहाँ बैठ के आराम से. सो जॉब कहाँ जाएगा, जॉब तो आराम से आप काम करते रहो. बट इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, सो जैसे कार्बी में आई हैव ओपन 250 ब्रांचेस. मैं डेल में रहता था, वो ब्रांच नेटवर्क मुझे नहीं मालूम रहता था, या आई हैंडल्ड बिजनेस साइड ऑफ थिंग. So I would not have Capstone में I came and handled the business. If I would have been in that place, I would not have handled business. So you have to take a risk in life, calculated risk. At the same time, learning opportunity जहाँ मिल रहा है उसको कंटिन्यू करना है, फ्रूट्स तो आ जाएगा.
और क्या आप सर ये सब कुछ जो भी चीज़ आप सीखते हो, सबका कुछ जर्नल रखते हो सर, ये सीखना है मुझे, इम्प्लीमेंट करना है? क्योंकि अभी क्या होता है, स्पेशली मेरे जनरेशन में, हम बहुत पॉडकास्ट सुनते हैं, बहुत पढ़ते हैं, बहुत ऐसे सवाल करते रहते हैं, बट सीखने से एग्जीक्यूट करने के टाइम में बहुत कुछ नहीं हो पाता, एक्शन लेने के टाइम में. तो आप क्या खुद इतना जर्नल करते हुए एक्शन करते हो, आपका कुछ ऐसा कोई अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर टाइप है क्या?
नहीं. सो आई लर्न फ्रॉम पीपल, आई लुक एट द पीपल whom I follow, the mentors, the seniors, sometimes from the colleagues. You learn lot many things from them. So then the forums like you, it took to the people that yes, this person has done something. हम पार्शियली उसमें से 5% तो फॉलो कर पाएंगे, 10% तो फॉलो कर पाएंगे, उतना करेंगे तो भी बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ सर। और सर क्योंकि जब मैं आपके HP टॉक्स स्पेशली जब पढ़ रहा था, मुझे लग रहा था अरे ये कौन से सिचुएशन में क्यों लिखे इसने क्योंकि मैं पर्सनली अभी क्या होता है सर, लीडरशिप रोल में हम जब आ जाते हैं, अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हमारे डिसीजन को क्लाउड कर देते हैं। हमारे आजू बाजू में हम जो इंस्पिरेशन भी देखते हैं, कोई भी लीडर को पकड़ो, स्टीव जॉब्स हो गया, कोई भी होना चाहिए, अग्रेसिव मोड में चले जाते हैं। और आपका एक कोट है सर, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, मैं पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ। लीडरशिप इज नॉट अबाउट द लाउडेस्ट वॉइस बट द कामेस्ट माइंड इन chaos।
करेक्ट,
ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, आई थिंक लास्ट वेडनेसडे आई रोट दिस। ये ट्रूली स्पीकिंग, आई थिंक अभी मैं आपका माध्यम में ही बोल रहा हूँ। दिस आई हैव रिटेन लुकिंग एट आवर MD, माय प्रेजेंट कंपनीज MD श्रीकांत कोडाली. So looking at his leadership style, I wrote it. I'll give you example why I wrote it. This is during COVID time. COVID से बड़ा crisis हमारा generation से ज़्यादा हुआ ही नहीं, because we have not seen World War, we have not seen World War II, we have not seen any big disease what was happening in 80s, 70s and all. COVID was the biggest showstopper of our time. So when COVID was happening, everyone was panic. Everyone is panic and there is a mad rush. People are going back to their hometown. Tickets are not available. Trains are getting cancelled. Suppose without taking few clients' name, suppose one place I have 700 housekeeping, their office is closed. They reduced it to 50. So balance 650 has to go somewhere. If I have some 500 security working in some place, some big IT corridor, so they have reduced it to 100. So balance 400 कहाँ जाएंगे? So because we are the frontliner company, we were coming every day to office with social distancing maintain करके to take a decision, because security तो काम करेगा, housekeeping तो काम करेगा, भले number कम होगा. So when these people are going, they were not getting ticket and all. So Mr. Shrikant has taken a decision that बॉस इनको हम हमारा हॉस्टल में रखेंगे. It was a big decision. See that time COVID है, हॉस्टल में रखोगे, वहाँ बिलिंग नहीं हो रहा है, आपको खर्चा करना है. Not all entrepreneur can think like this.
Very true.
So almost thousands of people we have kept in a hostel with social distancing norms, because we have our training center. सो उसमें रखे. सो उनको फूडिंग, उनको बोल दिया कि सैलरी नहीं मिलेगा बट फूड आपको मिलेगा जब भी ट्रेन का टिकट, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड फ्री टिकट्स. सो जब टिकट मिलेगा यू कैन गो नाउ, यू कैन गो टू योर रिस्पेक्टिव प्लेसेस एंड ऑल. गॉड इज देयर, गॉड तो ऊपर देख रहे हैं, जो भला काम करेगा उसको रिजल्ट मिलेगा. सो दैट वाज द कूलेस्ट डिसीजन ही हैज टेकन, दो कि इट्स नॉट ए कमर्शियल डिसीजन. अगर आप उसको P&L में डालोगे, इट्स ए माइनस. Few things you have to take from heart. So he has taken that heart. It was the calmest decision what he has taken. So people have stayed, and lot of our competitors people also they came to stay. We allowed them. अरे वो टाइम में तो उसमें competitor क्या है भाई, वो बंदा कोई रहना चाहता है तो let them stay. So after first wave खत्म हो रहा था, suddenly there was a huge requirement of housekeeping security in hospital and healthcare.
Okay.
किसके पास बंदे नहीं है, खाली हमारा पास है. And they are paying 3 times, 4 times more to the people. Suppose 15,000 सैलरी है, 30,000 देने के लिए तैयार है, 40,000 देने के लिए तैयार है for the hospital housekeeping, hospital security. So that was the decision, because so that's what in that context I have written that लीडरशिप इज नॉट द लाउडेस्ट वॉइस. आप रूम में बैठ के चिल्ला के बात करने से नहीं होता. क्राइसिस के टाइम पे वन सिंगल डिसीजन व्हिच विल हेल्प द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हेल्प द कम्युनिटी, हेल्प द सोसाइटी, हेल्प द पीपल अराउंड यू, दैट इज द ट्रू लीडरशिप.
वेरी ट्रू सर. एंड स्पेशली आप भी जो वर्कफोर्स के साथ मैनेज करते हो, बहुत बड़ी वर्कफोर्स है सर. ओवर एंड दिस आर नॉट द पीपल हु, अभी आप एम्प्लॉयज़ के साथ हो गया या कोई भी स्टाफ के साथ हो, एक तरीके से होता है क्योंकि लोग गांव से आ जाते हैं. उतने लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करना आसान बात नहीं होता है सर. और आपने पहले भी बोला था कि जब आप तेलुगु भी नहीं हो और उन लोगों को थोड़ा वो फीलिंग भी रह सकता है, तो आप कैसे इन लोग को इन्फ्लुएंस करके, क्योंकि मैं खुद देखा हूँ सर, कैप्शन का सर्विस में देखा हूँ ना, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड से लेकर सबके सब बहुत हॉस्पिटल रहता है. लाइक आपका कोई एग्जीक्यूटिव है या नहीं है, मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोलता, और कभी मैं नाम भी लेता हूँ तो ब्रांड याद हो जाता है. वो कैसे आप मेंटेन करते हो सर?
Thank you for this compliment. I'll take it to my team. See, it's a more of a emotional connect. I always tell, lot many times I have told. I think now I have to. I'll do a tagging on it that nobody should use this. So see, human capital is not a commodity. You can go and buy some products from a shopping mall, but human capital you cannot purchase. So human capital is not a commodity. Whether he's a driver, whether he's a housekeeping boy, whether he's a security, whatever, they are not commodity. They have to be handled with a lot of emotion.
True.
And in our company specifically, what we have done in Capstone, we have given that feeling to the team as well as our back office team. Like we have 35,000 workforce. To manage them, we have 350 non-billable resource. Correct. So there is a gap. So non-billable resource sits in head office. Billable resource are different client place. We have informed all our team, and it's in by heart there that the person like me, I am not earning their salary. They are earning my salary. The security guard standing there, whatever the management fees we are getting, because of that we are getting our salary. So that person is earning he is my breadwinner. I am not his breadwinner. वो mindset change करना है. वो mindset हम change कराए. I think we are the first company who changed that mindset that जो housekeeping boy या security guard or the electrician who is working at a client place, that person is earning our salary. वो mindset रखना है.
Got it.
देन रेस्पेक्ट बढ़ेगा. उसके ऊपर कब रेस्पेक्ट बढ़ेगा? अदरवाइज मैं बैक ऑफिस में, मैं तो बॉस हूँ. जब बॉस को पता चलेगा बॉस उसका सैलरी अर्न नहीं कर रहा है, वो उसका सैलरी अर्न कर रहा है, देन बॉस का रेस्पेक्ट उसके ऊपर बढ़ेगा. सो दैट्स ए टॉप डाउन अप्रोच वी हैव डन, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट डू ए बॉटम ड्रिवन ऑन दिस. वी हैव मेड ए टॉप डाउन अप्रोच टू आवर टीम, stating that the housekeeping boys, so that respect. So in this, if you do a little research, you will come to know in this field, in human capital blue collar segment, there is a 20 to 25% is the attrition.
Okay.
We are still on single digit because of that difference.
Oh.
We are the only company who are in single digit. We have 38% female workforce who are working with us. So that is what we have done, that giving that respect to them, because they are earning our salary. And compliance management is another thing. Lot of companies are there who are not doing the compliance management. So I'll give you an example. 2 months back, one of our resource was going to a site. He met with an accident in Begum.
Got it.
So immediately he has been shifted to ESI hospital because he has ESI card and all. So they could found there is a brain hemorrhage. It's a serious accident. So I'll pray God that वो जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा. Last 2 months he is in AIG hospital. ESI has shifted. Entire money is taken care by ESI.
Okay.
So that is the beauty of compliance. So to lot of entrepreneur, for doing shortcut, they are not doing this compliance. It's a 300 rupees, 200 rupees. उसमें कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. But look at this example. It's a typical example in front of us. That वो बंदा almost 30-40 lakhs government has, ESI has paid to AIG. Because ESI में वो facility नहीं है बोल के they have shifted and they are taking care of that entire money. Think about people like us also. 30-40 lakhs hospital में खर्चा करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. For a person who is getting 15,000, 20,000 salary for his family, 20-30 lakhs is a big amount.
Very
and
true.
Till the time he is hospital, ESI is paying 50% salary.
Wow.
Whatever as a company level we are doing is different, but it's a compliance thing. The family is getting. So that these are the major changes. You have to respect them and you have to comply them.
Got it.
Then only they will be loyal to you.
I understood that ki the moment you care about your employees, they will also start caring about you.
Yes.
And one of the question was that only, sir. How are you able to retain this workforce? I guess now I got that answer.
Yeah. So that is the boom.
And sir, like because I have also noticed that back in 2020 when quick commerce actually got a boom, and now we have like a good players in the market. Now I think it is the same thing that's even happening with this instant help industry, right?
Correct.
Like 10 to 20 minutes, because right now it's not about, somewhere I guess I read, Medium and founder has written that it is not about do we need it or not, but if you experience that convenience again, are you okay to go back? Like if I experience the convenience of booking a maid or an electrician for 10 to 20 minutes, I don't want to go back again and call someone who will take 2 days to come.
Correct.
So do you think this industry will be like the next quick commerce?
Yeah, see, technology is the key. So we never thought, as you was mentioning, we never thought ki we'll book a maid through application, we'll book a electrician through application. We never thought, but that's booming. That's booming today. So-called the Rapidos or Zomatos or Olas or Ubers, they have made it possible that ki technology will give you convenience and cost benefit.
Yeah.
Correct. So both we are getting. And this industry also is going to boom in that way. So technology that you are talking about, that Insta Assist. So you will get to know shortly that some big names are coming in that industry. So quote unquote. That industry, it's a very preliminary stage. But what I feel that this industry needs lot of supply. You have to, like I was mentioning, you have to take care of the people. There will be emotional connect. So today, only giving discounts will not help. That will help for a certain period of time.
True.
Discount will help for certain period of time. Like we are talking about Insta. Now you book, you will not get. You have to wait for 3 days. True. That means there is a supply gap.
Very true.
Why supply is not happening? Because you have not created the ecosystem for supply.
Very true.
Correct. The maid who is coming, 70% of the maids, they don't know driving. You have to give them the work near their workplace. That's the ecosystem.
True.
You go to parks, they are eating there, wearing some company's uniform and eating there. In the month of March, top 3 companies in this front have done almost 30 lakhs jobs in the month of. There would be 100 unorganized players. So there could be like 1 crore job must have happened in March. It will be much more than that. I'm just for calculation sake taking one, because top 3 companies has done 25 lakhs. That means more than 1 crore must have done. So daily there is more than 3,000 jobs, 30,000 jobs have been carried out every day. Every day those many jobs have been carried out. 30,000 jobs have been carried out. So when we are doing that kind of jobs, you are doing, so you should create the ecosystem, that supply, emotional angle. Again, I am coming to that you have to take care of the people. They are not commodity. Human capital is not commodity. So you can, for you it's business. Correct. When you are doing business, you have to give them proper ecosystem.
Very true.
There is washroom facility should be there. You have to provide them proper food. They are sitting in the park and eating. It's not a correct thing. So you have to provide them that ecosystem. So so going forward, this industry is going to boom like more than the so-called the e-com, Q-com industry. More than that, it will boom. But the winners will be not those people who are giving discount. Winner would be those people who are creating trust. Who are creating, means if you are telling that it's Insta, you give me in Insta, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I should get. Why should I wait for 2 days for Insta?
Very true.
Correct? So today we are talking Insta, but you are providing at 2 days, 3 days. Insta means you have to create that trust. When I'm talking Insta, I'll give you Insta. Correct? So then second is the ecosystem for the people. You have to give them proper lunch place. You have to give them washroom, some shade to sit.
True.
So those kind of activity. Then third, most important thing is the supply side. You have to take care of your employees. So supply, trust and ecosystem will play major role than the cost.
Got it. So it's more like if you're trying to build a company, it's one thing, but if you're trying to build an ecosystem, you have to make sure that every part of that touch point is satisfied.
Yes.
Like the comfort of that employee should also be there, customer should also be there, and eventually profits will be made.
Eventually profit will be made. Profit तो धंधा तो business के लिए पैसा कमाने के लिए ही कर रहे हैं. But you create that ecosystem. Don't be in a hurry. Somebody has started, I'll start and I'll do it. It is not going to help. So you have to have that proper ecosystem. taking care of the people, then customer will be happy. If somebody is coming to your home for cleaning and she is stinking or he is stinking, you will not like that, na? So you have to prepare, give that ecosystem. There are a lot of what you call rented bikes are available today.
Yeah.
ठीक है, give them that. Which will as low as 150 rupees per month.
Very true.
150 rupees per month rental. You give them those kind of bikes so that they will go in a proper shape. Give them proper uniform. Give them a place where they can sit. They cannot sit in a hot sun or a bus stop and go to your home for cleaning. They are not clean, how they will clean? So you have to take care of them. As entrepreneur, you have to take care of them.
And sir, when you're trying to deal with, especially if someone is building in this space, like considering you're already pioneering in the B2B space itself, there has to be a lot more where you're not just enabling trust in this, in the blue collar space, to obviously enable them in the bigger corporates.
Correct.
Take any big corporate, for you to enable capstone service over there, there has to be a certain level of networking. There's a certain level of trust you should even enable in the senior management.
Correct.
And I know you're one of like a networking king in this space. How do you do that, sir? Like, how do you establish the trust among people, where people feel like they have to firstly subscribe to Haraprasad and then also to Capstone?
No. See, organization is much bigger than any individual brand, but networking is like natural to me. So as I was telling you during initial days, that the college election and all, so that's where I started knowing so-called the term was not known networking, but I know meeting with people and all. But today it's very important. What you know is not important. Who knows you is important. What you know is not important. Who knows you is important. That is very important. So you have to do networking, positive networking, not for that go have a couple of drinks and come. No, it's positive networking. Positive networking will give you a lot of knowledge. You know who, you don't know who is going to help you at some point of time.
Very true.
Correct. So that that networking will only help you.
True.
That's only networking will help you. Without that, you cannot do it. So they always say that ki, you, today your net worth, nobody looks at your net worth. They look at your network.
Very true.
So abhi so-called influencer or people like you who are doing this, they look at how many followers you have. Correct? So that's where you get business.
Very true.
So influencers, they are not doing anything. You look at like lot of film stars today. So they have also started food blogging and all because of networking. They want to do network. So you have to do network. Network is the key. And during the MBA days, it has been taught that if two people are selling the same product or services, one buys from the friend. Correct? So that is network.
Very true. I think our ability to create trust and also our ability to make opposite person feel that, hey, we are on the same boat.
Yes, we are on the same boat. We are going to help each other. So because so-called that vendor partner relationship, it's equal respect now.
Very true.
So if I am using somebody's service, he or she is also using my service in some way.
Very true.
So that's what is the point.
And in this whole ecosystem, sir, where you're trying to juggle between all different types of management, all different types of workforce, what exact thing has actually given you satisfaction that अरे मैं जो कर रहा हूँ अच्छा कर रहा हूँ या अच्छा चीज़ किया है?
Yeah, that there are many, but if I have to list out 3-4, one of the biggest thing is that for a company, I cannot disclose the name of the company, Hyderabad company. So they are doing a lot of innovation on the glasses, reading glasses for the visually impaired people, blind people. So I got a request that we have to hire some 100 plus visually impaired people. So it was a new subject for us, that what is the labor law says, what is whether we can hire them, where to hire them and all. So then we did lot of research. So we consulted labor department that how that system should be done. So there is a manual. We created the manual. Then we hired for them. So because they are doing lot of testing. So the manual says that ki after 5 o'clock they should be picked up from their home, dropped at their home, no night work. 5 o'clock they should reach their destination. For each person, there would be a support hand. They should work within the boundary of four walls.
okay.
So those are there are a lot many more manuals are there. So that has given me a I was personally, though team has to do the work, I was personally involved because it's a learning exposure again. It's a learning exposure that kind of thing. So that has given me so much feeling, because today as part of diversity we are doing lot many things, but I never thought we'll be recruiting visually impaired people and create employment for them. Another thing has given me a lot of satisfaction is I was part of Aadhaar ecosystem.
Okay.
So in 2009-10, Nandan Nilekani was pioneer who has started this Aadhaar project. So Karbi, my previous company, I was part of that and doing that activity, the Aadhaar project. So that was the time I traveled across India, the villages, so not the cities.
Got it.
So Aadhaar means you have to go to the villages. So entire Bihar I have gone to the villages. Odisha, I belongs to Odisha. Past 22 years of my life I was in Odisha. Rest of the few years I am in Hyderabad. I have not gone to those villages where I have gone during my work days.
Okay.
From my Karma Bhumi I have gone to Janma Bhumi to do some work. Okay, so that in West Bengal, in Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. So those are the places we go for holiday. But I have gone to the villages and seen the real life of village, the kind of respect you get when you are going. So in city, your neighbor does not care about you.
Yeah.
But they are, when you are going for Aadhaar work, I am getting paid for that. But that person, they bring food from their home.
Yeah.
Correct. So they respect such a lot things. So I feel proud. I was part of Aadhaar ecosystem. Everyone has Aadhaar today.
Nice.
Next thing is third thing. If I have to list out in Reja Mindspace, one of the site we have, it's a complete pink site. So the entire service people are female.
Okay.
Be it housekeeping, pantry, electrician. But from client side, both male and female are working. From our side, the entire service staff are female. So it's a showcasing site. I think it was one of the Hyderabad, definitely it's first site for any competitor or us. I think India also, it is all over India. It is one of the first site. I don't have the data, but it is one of the first site wherein the complete service staff is female. Managing them, see, you can get female housekeeping. You cannot get female electrician.
Yeah.
Correct? So you have to train them. Female plumber.
True,
Electrician still you can get. Plumber how you will get?
Yeah.
Because our ecosystem does not allow us
True.
for a female plumber.
It's like empowering the whole ecosystem. And creating a...
So client also helped us. We told it will cost little extra because see today you want me to get 100 electrician, I can get male electrician. Female electrician 2-3 would be difficult. So then we have to pay a little extra and to get. And for plumber, we have given training to the people and given. So that was the satisfying moment. So these are the 3 satisfying moment which I felt like, yes, I have done something. So.
Sir, so let's end the podcast. Like, I guess right now I understood a lot about how, not just about journey, like it was easy to see how your learnings and journeys were going parallelly.
Correct.
I would like to know one thing about one advice or else one lesson that you have personally learned and you would like to make sure that all your employees or else people from Capstone or elsewhere also to know so that they can succeed in their career.
See, coming from a remote village of Odisha, studying in a local language, but the aim was always to be in top. So that made me here. So I feel if I am a very average person, if I can do, anyone can do. So that is what I want to always keep your aim high and keep the learning attitude within. And whichever religion you belong to, read those.
Yeah.
Like I was giving example of Mahabharata, Ramayana, all answers are there.
Yeah.
So my father told me that every day at least one chapter you read. So I am reading.
Nice.
So because to respect my father, but then I thought it is resembling my official life.
Yeah.
So lot of example I can give it to my team that yes, follow this. This is already tried and tested. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's already tried and tested, and people got success there. So that's the piece of advice that always aim big, keep the learning attitude always within. If I can do, anyone can do.
Yeah.
Anyone can do, and I am not done yet, so it's just the beginning. And keep a life. See, people talk about stress. That is another point I wanted to tell you for the closing remark. I think there is a what you call reel always goes on in the Facebook and all, that एक छोटी बच्ची आती है, she tells his father, पापा मैं डिप्रेशन में जा रहा हूँ. सो फादर बोलता है कि बीइंग ए गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय, जहाँ जाना है जा, मदर को बोल के जा. तो वो जाके मदर को बोलता है, मदर मैं डिप्रेशन में जा रहा हूँ. सो मदर बोलेगी कि दैट जाना है तो जाओ, इवनिंग तक आ जाना. फिर जाके उनका ग्रैंड फादर को बोलेगा, ग्रैंड पा आई एम गोइंग ऑन डिप्रेशन. सो एक थप्पड़ मारेंगे, कहीं जाने का जरूरत नहीं है, घर में बैठ. सो विदाउट नोइंग वी ऑल आर थिंकिंग स्ट्रेस क्या है. हम हमारा काम कर रहे हैं ना. सो देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड स्ट्रेस. द ऑफिस बॉय टॉक्स अबाउट स्ट्रेस, सीईओ आल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट स्ट्रेस. आपका काम जितना है आपको उतना ही काम दिया जा रहा है. सो देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड स्ट्रेस. यू हैव टू मैनेज द वर्क. यू हैव टू मैनेज द वर्क. यू नो योर कैपेसिटी. वो कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से काम लो, स्ट्रेस होगा ही नहीं. स्ट्रेस इज ए वर्ड विच हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. स्ट्रेस बोल के कुछ है ही नहीं. इट्स लाइक I after my office hours, I travel almost 15 days in a month. ठीक है. सो वो करता हूँ. उसमें whenever I get time, I participate in marathon. So that gives me kick.
Okay.
My physical activity gives me kick, because वो अगर नहीं कर पाऊंगा, काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. काम अगर नहीं कर पाऊंगा, वो नहीं कर पाऊंगा. ये दोनों अगर नहीं कर पाऊंगा, नेटवर्किंग नहीं कर पाऊंगा. सो ऑल दैट्स द ट्रायंगल. फैमिली, वर्क, physical activity and networking, all four are in a circle, so that one एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. आप एक को एलिमिनेट करोगे, बाकी सब गिर जाएगा. सो वो चारों को मिक्स करके चलना है आपको.
हाँ सर, आजकल यही मिस्टेक हो जाता है सर कि एक अगर ज़्यादा हो गया तो दूसरा कम हो जाता है. घर का जो स्ट्रेस है ऑफिस में निकालते हैं, ऑफिस का जो स्ट्रेस है घर में आता है.
Correct.
तो उधर का आना रिजल्ट इधर आने लगता है. तो आई गेस आपकी तरह अगर हम सब चीज़ें,
आप उसको सर्कल बना दो ना. आप उसको सर्कल बना दो. फैमिली, वर्क, देन नेटवर्किंग एंड योर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. कोई फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर रहा है, मैं पैशन बोल देते हैं उसको. पैशन मेरा, जैसे फिजिकल फिटनेस मेरा पैशन है, किसको सिंगिंग पैशन है, किसको स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी पैशन है, किसको म्यूजिक पैशन है. सो आप वो करो. वो भी करना जरूरी है. अगर वो नहीं करोगे देन यू विल फील स्ट्रेस. वही बोलता हूँ, स्ट्रेस बोल के जो वर्ड है वो क्रिएट हुआ है. वो नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहता है स्ट्रेस बोल के एक वर्ड. जैसे सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, जैसे एसी का गैस फिलिंग. सो एसी का गैस फिलिंग के लिए उसके अंदर गैस है या नहीं हमको कैसे पता.
सही बात है.
करेक्ट. सो इसलिए वो स्ट्रेस बोल के कुछ वर्ड नहीं था, उसको क्रिएट किया गया है. सो उसका ट्रैप में मत जाओ. काम करो, स्ट्रेस नहीं रहेगा. और अगर ओनली काम करोगे स्ट्रेस रहेगा. ओनली फैमिली देखोगे स्ट्रेस रहेगा, क्योंकि पैसा कहाँ से आएगा. पैसा आएगा तो आप फैमिली को देखोगे ना. अगर ओनली पैशन को फॉलो करोगे स्ट्रेस आएगा. ओनली नेटवर्किंग करोगे स्ट्रेस आएगा. आप चारों को एक सर्कल बना दो, सबको टाइम दे दो, ऑटोमेटिकली चला जाएगा.
थैंक्स सर.
थैंक यू.